Very good job. Very good job. I need to get you a more complex fan. This is just too easy. It's kind of a hard angle over there. Maybe you can upload your own fan videos to YouTube.
Good job, man.
That's not easy stabilizing that blade while you do that, bud. You're doing a really good job, man. I'm proud. Zachary's first fan. 100% built by Zachary. Zachary, say cheese.
Turkey.
No, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Cheese.
All right, you did a good job, man. All right, we got to get you the glass bulb. We need to put a light bulb in it. Can you bring the glass bulb in here? Well, let me get you a bulb.